Yo, what's up unboxers? It's me Myro here, and today I'm gonna review this classic Korean hot fiery noodle, Buldak Bokkeum Myeon. And this is not just any hot noodle, this is the new flavor Jja Jang, which is Korean black bean sauce. So this will be interesting. Let's get it out of the packaging first. It has a really nice, this cream cord packaging. Unboxing. Looks like they use a lot of glue. Very well packaged. I like it. It's modern noodles. The packaging is thin as paper. It's not hygienic. This is hygienic. So here we have the noodles. Very nice and thick. Smells good. And this is the hot sauce, the same as in the classic one. And this one is the black bean sauce, I think. Jja Jang. So yeah, the box is empty. Let's get into the preparations. First we put the noodles in boiling water. The pot is too small, but it's fine. When it melts, it's gonna go inside. Okay, it's time to put the hot sauce now. I remove the water and then you have to stir fry it. Smells good. It's definitely a different smell than the classic hot sauce. So now you cook it for a while. Let the hot sauce get into the noodles. Okay, the noodles are ready, and as you can see, the color is much different than the classic Buldak Bokkeum Myeon. It's more black, but it makes sense because it's Korean black bean sauce. The other one is much more red, and I have egg to eat it with. I forgot to put this flake thing when I was boiling the noodles, but it's fine. I put it on now. It has some green beans, I guess it's a black bean. It's a little bit hard, but it's fine. So let's taste this noodle. How does it taste like? Using a fork, because Anna has chopsticks, but it's fine. Ooh. Smells really good. It's definitely less spicy than the classic hot noodle. I can taste the black beans. I didn't know what black bean tastes like before, but now I know it has this flavor of black bean in it. Okay, the heat is coming up. The heat is building up now. But not as spicy as the other one. This is really good. It's like the noodles you get from restaurant. You don't expect this to be like instant noodle. It's really high quality. Texture is good, flavor is good, and I'm looking at the nutrition facts, and they actually have quite a lot of protein. It's 13 grams of protein in one serving, which is 140 grams, so almost 10% protein. Usually noodles have like 1 or 2% protein. Not good. This one very healthy. Sodium 1420 milligrams. I don't know if that is, it's kind of a lot, but it's not the daily recommendations. It's below the daily recommendations. It's only 6% of daily recommendations. Yeah, potassium, good. Calcium, good. We have iron, that's good. Just look at yourself here. These are the values. Pause the video if you want. Very good. So yeah, Jjajang, Buldak Bokkeum Myeon, Korean hot noodle, made by Samyang company. Very good, very good. Let's take one more bite. Then we give it a final review. I really like these noodles. Not as spicy as the other one, like I said already. This is, if you are new to hot food, get this one first, because the other one is way too spicy. This one is good for beginners. I would give this product a 9 out of 10. It's really good. If you like work and you have to take food with you to work, this is fast and easy to make. I wish they sell this in normal stores in Finland, but it's only in special stores, Asian market. Yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to check other reviews here, and also my main channel is here, and this is my newest main channel video right now. Next, I will review this other Buldak Bokkeum Myeon cheese flavor. So this will be really interesting. So make sure to subscribe and like the video. It's Mario signing out. Thanks for watching.